Hey, I'm Sam, and I'm a barista. And today I'm going to show you how to use the Nanopresso in a non-pressurized mode, giving us a perfect, authentic, cafe-like espresso. Now, we're going to depressurize the Nanopresso. I'm going to start by popping this out and unscrewing the pressurizing valve. This black ball is going to come out at the top, and it's going to go straight back in. We need to build up pressure quickly, so we're going to start by pumping fast and finish nice and slow once coffee starts coming out. The advantages of using the depressurized mode is a more traditional espresso, similar to what you might get in a cafe.